Hello everyone, welcome to the TestGain Developers. Hope you all are doing well. This is our third video on web development in which we are going to learn about hyperlinks. What is hyperlink? Obviously, they are also related to our websites and web pages. Let's say in simple words, do you remember we have taken an example of a book for understanding the concepts of websites and web pages. If you haven't seen already, it is available in part 2 of this series. So yes, coming back to the topic, you know a book and there is one common page that all the books consist of, and that is an index page. Index page keeps record of each and every page of the book according to their page numbers, and referring to these indices we can directly access only those pages in which we are interested. Similar concept is applicable for our websites and web pages, and it is implemented using these hyperlinks. Moreover, all the web pages are linked together with the help of hyperlinks. We know that if we are willing to reach to some destination, there is a path between two places that joins or links two places, so that we can reach from one place to another. Similarly, in case of websites also, web pages are linked with hyperlinks so that we can access information randomly. Using these hyperlinks, we can move to the part of the same document in which we are interested. It helps to save our time and energy also by skipping unnecessary part, rather the part which we are not interested in, and also we can move from one document to another document with the help of these hyperlinks. Generally, the hyperlinks are HTML links, and you can click on a link and jump to another document using these hyperlinks. Now we will see how hyperlinks work with the help of this video. Here is a video which consists of a website which shows you a website which is wikipedia.org. Look at this web address. This is wikipedia.org/website. If I see the web content, I can see some words which are in blue color. And if I move my cursor to such words which are in blue color, the shape of my cursor gets changed and one box appears in which it shows the description of that word. If there are many words, there are many such words available in this single document. If I click one of those words, I get redirected to another web page. See, the web address of that web page gets changed. Here wikipedia.org/wiki/laptop has occurred. Now this is the page where information of laptop is given. Now in this web page only, if I am interested to see the history of laptops, I can directly click on the history link. I can redirect to history part of the laptop. So I have skipped all the part in which I was not interested using the hyperlink. So my time has saved. Now more about hyperlinks. Here generally we can see that these hyperlinks appear in blue color and mostly they are underlined. So now onwards you can distinguish between hyperlinks and text from any website and web page. Now types of hyperlinks. There are mostly three types of hyperlinks. First is text hyperlink, second is image hyperlink, and third is bookmark hyperlink. Now text hyperlink. It uses a word or a phrase to take visitors to another page or file or a document, means completely different document, means completely different web page. Image hyperlink. In image hyperlink, it uses an image as a hyperlink to take user from one document to another document or one web page to another web page. In bookmark hyperlink, it is similar to text hyperlink, but it uses text or image to take visitors to the to the different part of the same web page. Now, link versus hyperlink. What is link and what is hyperlink? They both are different terms. Now, link is simply a web address, but hyperlink is present inside the document or web pages, which helps to move from one part of the web page to another part of same web page or completely new web page. That's it for this session. If you find this information helpful, please stay tuned with us, and please like our video, subscribe our channel and share the video. Thank you.